but I'm just so really proud of myself that I made it this far. As a vegetarian, I beat out thousands of meat eaters and got to the top 6. That's insane.
Congratulations, Heather.
You know, I cooked with meat like it was nothing. I didn't, you know, okay, maybe I did forget it.
You stop moving!
God. But, you know, I held my own.
It's delicious. Honestly, time for me to retire. You nailed it.
You keep putting it like this and screw the top 10 and you'll be in like the top 2.
Thank you so much.
Red team!
Yeah! It's been a once-in-a-lifetime experience for sure.
There we go. Hurry up, please!
So extreme, but so worth it. So worth it.
Next time, please welcome back Luca, Polly, and Christine are 3 former champions. Take the competition to a new level.
Cook as hard as you ever did in your life. I have no idea what I'm going to do.
Come on, man.
Pushing the top 5
You have to know how to tone down.
beyond their culinary limits.
Come on, guys.
Someone's going down. Big multiplier.
来看看顶尖评审们如何评论这些菜式。
A remarkable, delicious dish.
Kapow! That's picture perfect.
That is beef. Delicious.
Really extraordinary.
全部都出自于这些小小厨师们。
Welcome to MasterChef Junior.
小小厨神美国版第5季，周日晚上8点，只有在 Star World。众所期待，
This is it. Turn up the TV.
他们回来了。
Oh my god.
丑闻风暴第6季，今晚10点，只有在 Star World。
Boys, we got another one dead. The people are saying the woman was sleep in town. Will you bring me a head?
I'm gonna protect you.
I'm just kidding.
纳塔莉·波曼、乔尔·艾格顿。周六私房电影院《溺爱》，5月6号周六晚上11点，只有在 Star World。
Hey, Mickey, listen, I need you to watch the kids. We have to flee the country.
Hey, Danny, you hungry? Oh, guys, I don't know what to take. What happened? Good morning. What? What's that?
I think she's dead. What's everybody thinking for dinner?
We just ate breakfast.
All right, well, good morning.
总会与大翻身，5月13日起，每周六晚上9点，只有在 Star World。
We are now arriving in Taipei, Taiwan.
Purpose of your visit?
Oh, it's a long story. Basically, I've come to reconcile with my brother. See, our father could only send one of us to America, and it was me. But Gene said he was over it when he came to Orlando and asked me to be best man at his wedding. Turns out he wasn't over it. We got into a big fight, and he left me a note disinviting me and stole our mother in the middle of the night instead. So, even though I am not the one at fault, I've come to set an example for my boys and show them I'm the bigger man by sharing that.
I'll just write down your visit to please.
I'm here on business. I need to get $200 back from my brother-in-law who wronged me.
Grant, you could just check that box.
You have a box for that?
No.
Man, it's hot. Like a wet hot. The bathroom after Grandma takes a shower.
I'm wearing jean shorts. Thick. It's a thick fabric.
Jessica, your suitcase is so light.
That's because it's empty. I'm buying everything we need for the year at the night market. Back to school clothes, Christmas presents. I packed only the essentials. Evan, you don't need that.
According to these pamphlets, I do. I went for a look at AAA. These are things every tourist should know visiting Taiwan.
You remember AAA?
I don't understand the question.
You're not